Baby, you the shit, you should be walking with your nose up. Baby, I'm with it if you with it.
Hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kanaya, or you can call me Miss Prissy, whatever floats your boat. And today I'm going to be doing this gold, I'm going to call it a bronze goddess type look, you know? So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching my video. If this is your first time seeing my face, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to get notifications. If you like this video at the end, give it a big thumbs up, comment, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so let's get to it. I'm so geeked because I just got my nails done today or whatever. But we're going to jump into the Anastasia Baby Hill palette. And I'm going to take the burnt orange. And I'm going to put that all in my crease. And blend, blend, blend. Now we have the Glam Beauty palette from Walmart. And I'm going to take the chocolate color out of there, and I'm gonna put that on my outer V and blend that, and I'm gonna bring it in my crease just a tad bit just to give it a little definition. Okay, so I decided to take a little bit of this black and put it in my outer V also. I wanted this to be more of a brownish warm tone type of look, but I just had to get just a little bit darker for me. So yeah, now I'm just gonna pat that just to make it just a tiny bit little darker. So yeah. Going back in the Anastasia palette, I'm taking that nudish color. I don't know the name. I'm not gonna mess it up. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. I decided not to cut the crease today. Just simple little eyeshadow, you know. Now I'm taking the LA Colors. This is a contour stick actually, but I'm using it as foundation. It's a good color for me, a good color match, and it's in medium. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that all over my face, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Now I'm taking the concealer that everyone knows about, LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to highlight with that. And it's crazy because I haven't been using concealer for a long time. I just use foundation and keep going by my business. But today I guess I want to go for a full beat, and I'm going to put this in my highlighted places, under my eye, bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And the color is in Warm Honey. Then I'm going to blend that out. Now I had went back in with my foundation brush, and I'm going to blend that concealer in, because like I can't even remember if I said it or not, but I don't really like this color on me. I usually use Fine, but I couldn't find that, so I had to use this. But yeah, I just used the foundation brush to like tone the color down a little bit, and it turned out decent. Now, ooh, look like, am I the only one who always make a mess with loose powders? I'm using the Revolution Luxury Powder, Baking Powder, in, what color is this in? I don't know, the color's not on it, but y'all seen this, like a oranges, I don't know, not orange. It looked so crazy to me. I think it's because I haven't been putting on loose powder in so long. I've been using pressed powder. So I don't know, in this video I just was trying a lot of stuff that I haven't been doing lately, just to see how my makeup would turn out. And I really like how this makeup look turned out. It turned out really bomb to me. So I probably need to start back using concealer and start back using loose powders, because I like the way this looked. So yeah, I'm gonna put the baking powder all in the places that I highlighted, and I'm just gonna let it sit there for like a couple seconds and then just dust it off. Yeah, I don't really bake and stuff for real because I'm scared of flashbacks. So now I'm finna take this, if I could get it open. Man, that's the worst part about having long nails. You can't open nothing with them for real. You gotta really be used to them. And I haven't had nails on in a minute. But anyway, back to the video. I'm taking this Beauty Benefits bronzer, and I'm going to bronze, contour, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm gonna blend that all in the places that you're supposed to blend it. Yeah. Are y'all seeing how I'm finna snatch this nose though? Like, oh, this is one of my favorite parts, getting that nose together. Oh, snap. LA Colors bronzer. It said it's a bronzer, but I use it as a highlight. I like it. It's like a champagne goldish. It works pretty fine for me. I'm using a lot of LA Colors in this video. I'm telling you, when I get big, they need to mess with me and put me on their PR list. You know, you gotta speak those things into existence or whatever. NYX matte eyeliner. Now y'all know Wet n Wild is my fave, but this right here, this eyeliner, I'm telling you, if you want you a black eyeliner that don't move or don't buzz, you could go to the club, you probably could go get in a pool with this eyeliner. This eyeliner do not budge. I'm telling you, get this. I'm so happy I got this. I shouldn't have waited so long, because I'm telling you, once you get this, you're not gonna never go back to nothing for real. So I just got a black pencil and put it in my waterline, and now I'm taking the Profusion Rose palette, and I'm getting the gold color out of there, and I'm gonna put it on my inner tear duct, and I'm going to eventually put it a little bit on my lid too, so it can shine just a tiny bit. But yeah, I wish I would have kind of went a little more heavier with the gold, but it was still cute. So now I'm taking this lip pencil. The brand is called Ice. The color is in Current. And y'all, This color looks so freaking pretty on me. I love this. And guess what? It was only 50 cents. I'm super geeked though about this e.l.f. champagne lip pumping gloss. Oh my goodness. I've been seeing this all over Instagram and stuff. I finally got it. It smells good. And y'all, this lip combo, am I the only one who obsessed with lip combos? Like, I'm always asking somebody, what's your lip combo? What's your lip combo? But this is so freaking pretty to me. Like, this is my new fave. This pencil and this lip gloss together, y'all see it, it's bomb. Now I'm taking a color matte mascara just to pull the eyes together and get it to another whole step of popping. So yeah, even though I don't like doing mascara for real, but I just feel like sometimes you have to, you don't got a choice. So yeah. So lately I've been into putting dots all over my face for some reason. I think it's cute. I see people do it on Instagram and YouTube. Sometimes I use black, sometimes I use white. I think it's real cute and different. So I'm gonna just apply these little dots all over my little face. We have made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to follow me on IG at Miss Prissy. And until next time.